First up, Kansas Dan is taking a look at PARA. So the chart is really strong here in Paramount, very strong here. Beautiful retest of the point of control. Your one concern, you can get a little chopped up with the trinity of our moving averages here. There's a little bit of a little disaster happening. But other than that, we have an upside target of 22.22. Just expect a little bit of volatility. It's not going to be a smooth ride up. What is looking really nice is ASO. Alan in London is looking at ASO. Very healthy chart. Power earnings gap after power earnings gap. Beautiful bull flags all over this thing. Shaping up to what NVIDIA looked like. Remember, guys, I told you NVIDIA, we needed that confirmation of higher highs after taking that 259 level, and that absolutely served its purpose. So let's get back to ASO. Bullish territory is right above the 65.50 level. That will continue to new highs up to 73. So, Mark Sebastian, our favorite Villanova graduate, what are you seeing in any of these stocks? We got Para, ASO, any big money biting at these?
Not in Academy Sports. It's a great store, but it doesn't trade options. Para does, and I've been waiting for old Viacom to kind of break out. Paramount's got their soccer deal. They've got a lot of interesting stuff going on. Nice little hammer on Friday. Could be an interesting spot to go long. It is up a little bit pre-market, not a ton. Option volatility, relatively inexpensive, but not super cheap. What did you say your upside here is? 23?
The upside is 23, but I'd want some time to trade this one just because you have these moving averages here. That can create a lot of chop, right? It's going to be it's an obstacle course, I call them, for the stock to get.
We'll look at a call spread in April. We're going to buy a 20.5, 23 call spread, so we're hitting your mark. So it's a 2.5 point vertical, and the 2.5 point vertical is going to cost me less than 70 cents. So we're getting about 4 to 1 on our payment, about 3 to 1 on our payout risk reward. Relatively inexpensive play. So we're playing less than 70 cents for the 20.5, 23 call spread.
All right, we'll make sure to put that in the chat. A classic profit revolution trade under $1. We got that spread for you in Paramount Global. Shout out to Kansas Dan for giving us that stock.